Brand new 2025 M4 Competizione, brand spanking new. Guys, 500 miles on it, brand new. 0 miles, guy leaves the dealership, he wants to Champion Porsche, got himself a BMW, all right? Not a Porsche from Champion, weird, whatever. Those guys sell cars, it's not a Porsche, it's a Beamer. Convertible BMW, looks like somebody bought a BMW while he was waiting for his Porsche to get done, brought it back to the dealer. This guy came and traded in his M340, picked himself up a badass convertible M4 Competition 2025 with the new lights. We're gonna drop and show you guys the laser beam, BMW laser beam tail lights, all brand new technology. Only the 2025s have them. So, but forget about the lights right now. We're talking about exhaust, boys. G exhaust over here. So we got the stock exhaust. Right here, comes with this big ass, pain in the ass muffler with the stock black tips. Does have the night package on there, so it does come with the black tips. Factory valve control right here. We already have it disconnected because we're going with an AWE setup with a valve control system. So to continue with the stock system, this is a convertible, so it does have these flattened out pipes. So what we're gonna do is make the non-convertible fit a convertible. We're just gonna flatten out the pipes a little bit, give them a little bit better clearance right there. So if you have a convertible, don't go to that shop down the street. They don't know what the hell they're doing. 9.5, all right? They don't know what the hell they're doing. We know what we're doing. We got AWE here. We get this pipe up on the lift, smash it a little bit, you know, give it better clearance, make that AWE fit like a glove. So continues here to 2 resonators. Pretty standard M3 and M4 system. The M2, I believe, has the same exact system. 2 resonators, not doing anything for performance or sound. This AWE kit comes with full 3-inch from the cat's back and a high flow X pipe. So those are the front pipes right there. Dual 3-inch piping. Comes with the factory hangers. Got the X pipe for equalization. X pipa, you know what I'm saying? And then 3-inch continues to the rear muffler, which is valve controlled, which is pretty awesome. These cars are generally super raspy. AWE's done a really great job of making this a lot deeper than it should be. So Switch Path by AWE. Awesome setup, highly recommended. We sell it on our website, available at gexhaust.com. Gexhaust Davie, Gexhaust Oakland Park. Reach out to us if you got a brand new Beamer and you want a valve control system, super high quality AWE. We're also selling every other system known to man, AWE to, you know, Z Performance. So A to Z if you got the joke. If not, whatever. We also sell G exhaust systems, by the way, which are full titanium and stainless steel options with some custom and performance tips. If you're interested, hit us up, guys. We got the best sales, the best prices known to man. So we're about to chop up this M4, test fit this AWE catback system. This also did come with the black tips, which are gonna glisten in the sun. Wait a second. Sheesh. AWE black chrome, baby. Looks awesome. So this is gonna pop a little bit more from the factory. Actually pretty similar. Black chrome, black gloss, whatever. Does have an AWE sticker and a sucker for all you suckers. So yeah, we're about to chop this up. Stay tuned. Let me know how you think it sounds. So that was it. That's the AWE catback Switch Path edition with the black diamond tips. The thing is awesome, super deep, really solid performance. I feel the pickup just bringing it around from the back. Sounds awesome. Probably one of the better M3, M4 systems we've installed. It's a lot deeper than most systems. A lot of them are usually raspy. This one has a nice, clean, deep tone. Should make some really wicked performance with the dual 3-inch piping. Like I said, we made it fit on the convertible. Usually does not fit on the convertible. We did our little thing though, man. Made that thing fit and fits like a glove. Nothing's touching. And customer's gonna be happy as hell, man. He's got his convertible set up on his AWE, baby, which they don't make for it, but G Exhaust made it happen. So if you need a system for your M4, your M3, M2, M5, M6, M7, all of those, let us know. We got systems available on our website. You can also reach me directly. Just call G, guys. I got you on all your systems, all right? Anything you need exhaust-wise, we got you covered. If you're looking to upgrade the air intake or your throttle body spacer or throttle body on your Dodge, just hit us up. We got Davie next to the Hard Rock, right down the street to the new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino with a deep tower and Oakland Park. Anyways, so that's it. That's the 2025 brand new M4 with the sticker still on it, man. Check this out. And there's a speaker in here, which is pretty damn pimp. Also, check out this damn red interior. Shit's sick. Carbon fiber, red interior, badass. And it's a vert. So, yeah, man, M4, convertible, 2025, brand new AWE system. Only